Hello guys. In today's episode, I'll show you how to create your own interactive menu in GTA 5 using the LemonUI library. But that's not all. We're also going to learn how to directly control the game using native functions, which are the engine's raw functions, instead of relying solely on ScriptHook's pre-built methods. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment on what you'd like to see in the next episode. We're going to build a vehicle control script that will let us fix a car, set the vehicle color to random, change the license plate with a custom name, and teleport to the closest vehicle. Let's head over to Visual Studio. Before we start writing any code, we need to change the platform target to x64 in the project properties. Save with Ctrl+S, close the window, and move on. The next thing is to add LemonUI and the ScriptHookVDotNet 3 nightly version to our project. I'll leave the links in the description below. We'll start with the usings. Besides the standard GTA and system, we need GTA Native to handle native functions, LemonUI and LemonUI menus for our interface, and System Windows forms for key handling. Now, let's create the Vehicle Menu Script class, inheriting from Script. For LemonUI to work, we must define the object pool. This is what manages drawing the menu on the screen. We'll also define our main menu object, main menu. In the constructor, we initialize the menu. The first argument is the title, the second is the subtitle. Very important, we add our menu to the menu pool. Next, event handling. In OnTick, we must call menu pool process. Without this, the menu won't display. In OnKeyDown, we set the menu visibility toggle to the F5 key. Let's move on to the first option of our script. We'll create the Create Menu Options method. Add the first button, Fix Vehicle. Here, we'll use a function call with a specific hash. We'll invoke setVehicleFixed and setVehicleDeformationFixed. Additionally, we'll use the native setVehicleDirt set to 0 to make the car shine like new. This demonstrates the power of native functions. We can combine multiple low-level functions into a single action. The next option, random color. We'll use the standard random class from C#. The native setVehicleColors takes two integers, the primary and secondary color. We'll randomize numbers up to 160, which covers most of the GTA palette. Let's also do something for customization fans, changing the license plate. We'll create the item plate. Here we use setVehicleNumberPlate text. Remember that a license plate in GTA holds a maximum of 8 characters. You can set the name to whatever you like here. Finally, the last function, get into closest vehicle. We'll use a hybrid approach here. To find the car, we'll use the world get closest vehicle method from the ScriptHookVDotNet library, as writing our own search algorithm would be time-consuming. However, for the action of getting in, we'll use the native setPed into vehicle. The argument -1 means the driver's seat. This is a great example of how to combine the convenience of the library with the raw power of natives. Let's compile the project with Ctrl+B and test our script in the game. We're in the game, and as you can see, I've already prepared a vehicle to demonstrate that the repair option works. We'll open the F5 menu and check things step by step. First up is the vehicle fix, and now we can change the color of our vehicle. As you can see, the custom license plate option changes so fast that if you blink, you'll miss it. Of course, the last function, teleport to the nearest vehicle, also works. If you'd like to see more tutorials on this channel, let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.